Hi, I'm Brett from 4x4 Obsession. Today we've got Hayden Sharman's 45 series in. Most people know the truck well. It's branded as NEDK. People would know recently we did a fair bit of work to this car. We've recently converted this vehicle. It has an 80 series chassis, so coil all round. LS2 engine out of a Commodore, so 6 litre Commodore engine. We've widened the front guards by 200mm for the wheel track to keep the wheels under. It's running 36 by 15.5 wide Mickey Thompson MTZs. But there's a few extra modifications that we can do to this vehicle to make it stronger. The 80 series is a very, very capable vehicle in itself, but now having the power of an LS2 in front, there are some weak points. So we're going to strengthen up those weak points with some nice gear from TrailGear. They've supplied us with some chromoly CVs and axles for the front, a heavy-duty swivel kit, and a set of low-range transfer case gears to suit the 80 series transfer case that this vehicle runs. Because Hayden uses this truck not only as a show truck, but he actually uses it as a four-wheel drive, so he actually does take it off-road. So the strengthening of the CVs, the front end, and the crawler gears in the transfer case, this will enhance the strength of this vehicle greatly and allow for the extra power that it does run. So Hayden can get back out on the tracks, four-wheel drive with it, with the confidence that he's not going to break a CV. He's also going to give him the crawl ratio that he needs with these 36-inch tyres. So let's go and have a look at all the great parts that TrailGear have now supplied us to fit to Hayden's vehicle. As you can see, these are some of the parts that we'll be fitting to Hayden's truck today that TrailGear have supplied to us. First, we'll just go through and have a look at the heavy-duty swivel seal kit that TrailGear have supplied. The wiper seal itself is actually a heavy-duty double-lipped unit in comparison to the standard unit, which I don't have one to show you, but they are a lot heavier. But the main feature is the mounting plate. The mounting plate is a lot thicker and a lot heavier than what the standard one is. The standard one's just a pressed metal plate. This is actually a 3mm plate. This allows Hayden to go four-wheel driving into heavier stuff and avoid rocks peeling up the edges of his plate and damaging the seals. We also have the chromoly CVs. The axles aren't on display here only because of room, but it does have chromoly axles with it. With these CVs, they are a lot stronger than the factory ones. They are also greasable from the outside, which is a feature that they've put in. Allows you to, when servicing the vehicle, grease the CV joint from the outside of the vehicle without having to pull the whole front end back down. We also have a set of low-range gears for the transfer case. It only comprises of the 2 low-range gears. Pretty straightforward fit up, strip the transfer case down, replace those 2 gears. And last of all is the Duraline rope, which we'll be fitting to Hayden's winch, which also TrailGear have supplied. With the new gear in, Hayden will be looking forward to driving his truck in the next few weeks and getting back out on the tracks. It'll be far more reliable now with all the TrailGear products that we'll be fitting. It's great that TrailGear have a large range of products that fit the 80 series and also a lot of other Land Cruisers. So if you need any more information, feel free to give us a call down here at 4x4 Obsession.